In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot in the latest Windows 10 and 11 update. This is a quick and easy setup, and once it's turned on, you'll be able to access Copilot directly from your taskbar whenever you need it. If the option doesn't appear right away, don't worry. Usually that just means your system or browser still needs the latest update. To begin, make sure your operating system is completely up to date. Open your Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and install any available updates. This step is important because new features like Copilot are often included in the latest system releases. If updates are waiting to be installed, let them finish completely and restart your computer if Windows asks you to. After that, check that Microsoft Edge is also updated to the newest version. Copilot depends on Edge to work properly, so if the browser is outdated, the feature may not show up or function as expected. Open Edge, look for the Update section in the browser settings and install the latest version if one is available. It's a good idea to relaunch the browser afterward so the update is fully applied. Once both Windows and Edge are updated, move down to your taskbar. Find an empty area, right-click it, and select Taskbar Settings from the menu. This will open the part of Windows where you can control which taskbar features are visible. In the Taskbar Settings window, scroll down until you find the option labeled Copilot. When you see it, turn the toggle switch on. This tells Windows to display the Copilot shortcut on your taskbar so it's always easy to access. Now look over to the right side of the taskbar. You should see the new Copilot icon appear there. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment or close and reopen the settings window. In some cases, a quick restart can also help refresh the taskbar. Finally, click the Copilot icon to open the Copilot sidebar. From there, you can start using your new AI assistant right away. It's designed to help with tasks, questions, and quick actions directly from your desktop, making it a convenient tool to have ready whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more easy tech guides.